I wanted to vanish so completely that even I would not remember me. No feelings, no memories, just the freedom of oblivion. I realize now that I wanted to disappear, to get so lost that nobody ever found me, to go so far away that I'd never be able to make my way home again. But I have no idea why. I want to retreat from the world and ponder in solitude. It had struck me that the world was full of holes, holes which you could fall into, never to be seen again. I couldn't understand the difference between disappearance and death. Both seemed the same to me, both left holes. Holes in your heart, holes in your life. There are people out there who do this. They pick up and they leave. Sometimes they were never really there. Other times they are with you, but in their minds they are 1,000 miles away. They are taking a walk down an endless road. They are standing in a field of daisies on some unknown cliff.